summertime, and when the summertime comes, the weather gets hot and the bugs migrate in. Nobody wants bugs flying around, dropping larvae, being annoying, landing on food. Most people will have a fly swatter or a screen or a fly zapper. Well, we all know those aren't effective as we want them to be. Plus, they're just not fun. Well, I'd like to introduce you to my little friend, the Bug Assault 2.0. Alright, so the Bug Assault 2.0, it's got a chamber right here for salt, your basic table salt. It's not battery operated, it's air powered, and it does have a safety. It does have a nice kick to it. Let's load up some salt. I'm just using some Morton's natural sea salt. You can use whatever kind of salt you want. Himalayan salt, regular salt, table salt. Just use this one. Let's go to the range. Now I created a bullseye on this piece of foil to illustrate your basic housefly or any type of real bug you want to eliminate. So I'm going to show you what it does at point blank range. Leaves quite the mark. You can imagine what it'll do to a fly. Now let's back up a foot. Shoots like a shotgun spray at the target. Let's back up another foot. And one more foot. And even one more foot. Accuracy gets a little lost as you back up, but it does have some power to it. Boom!
Oh! Sayonara.